12 delivers a number of improvements across common operations. You'll see that apps launch up to 40% faster. The keyboard can come up to 50% faster, and you can slide to take a photo at up to 70% faster. We created a new file format for AR. It's called USDZ. You can use USDZ across the system, from the Files app to Safari, to even sharing them over messages and mail. And what's great is you can place these 3D objects into the real world. We're introducing a new app, and it's called Measure. Tapping and dragging out a line like that. And check that out. It's a measurement. What I can do with Measure is it automatically detects the dimensions of that photo. I can just tap and get, oh yeah, cute little baby, wasn't I? And you can get measurements just like that. ARKit 2 delivers advances with improved face tracking, more realistic rendering, and support for 3D object detection. But probably best is the support for shared experiences. Now, this delivers true multi-user augmented reality. You and the people around you will be able to see your own perspective on a common virtual environment. Next, I'd like to turn to photos. In iOS 12, search now starts working for you even before you start typing with search suggestions. And with For You, you have all of your memories, those great memory movies, but more, like featured photos, highlighting a photo that you took on this day in past years. And effect suggestions, for instance, suggesting looping a live photo or applying a new portrait effect to one of your portrait photos. Imagine you've gone out for a great dinner with some friends and you took some photos. You'll see that Photos is even recommending a set of photos from that set that you might want to share, and suggest who you might want to share them with, based in part by the people that appeared in the photos. When your friend receives them, their phone searches their libraries for other photos they took at that event and suggests that they share them back to you. So next, let's turn to Siri. Siri works with many third-party apps for things like messaging, ride sharing, and payments. But we wanted to make Siri able to do much more for you. And we're doing that by taking advantage of the power of apps with a new feature we call shortcuts. Well, the Tile app can expose the option to add a shortcut to Siri. You can assign your own phrase, such as, "I lost my keys," would be a good choice. And when you then say it, Siri will automatically activate Tile.